if you're a nurse, you have a bachelor's degree in nursing, and you want to continue on and help in another way, this program, the Family Nurse Practitioner program at Xavier, is a program that will allow you to be able to do it in 27 months, fully online. It's flexible enough that you can still continue working, care for your family. You have access to excellent professors. I mean, they're there at your beck and call. If I have a question, I can email them, they respond. We are able to develop relationships with them. They are working in the field right now, so they share their experience, and it makes it so much easier to learn when you're learning from someone who cares about the way that you learn. Well, I think it's unique because we really dive deeper into what nursing is really all about, and then we have hands-on experience when we do our practicum rotations. We have the opportunities to learn from professors that are working in those areas, and then also be with a preceptor that is teaching us what the day-to-day life is to be a nurse practitioner in those roles. And it's just been a great program for me as an adult. Hit your mark with a Xavier MSN Family Nurse Practitioner degree.